bit. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tuesday Talks with Tabitha. Addie wanted to say hello.
Hi.
She's my helper this summer. She's the one that's going to be here helping me all summer long. So if you guys come on here, tell me hello. And we wanted to say we're back from vacation.
Colorado.
Yes, Colorado. We had a good time, didn't we?
Denver, Colorado.
Yep, we had a really good time. Okay, I'm going to talk about feeding your flowers today. Addie wants to go back inside. Okay, if I'm talking about all of our flowers today. Hi, Mallory. Hello, how are you? I hope you're having a great summer so far. We literally, my hair looks kind of crazy. We went to Colorado for the weekend, or for the week, the whole week, and we came back and summer hit Missouri, and it is blazing hot out here. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is your flowers and how do you keep them once you plant them and do all the things. Everybody asks me all the time. They're like, Tabitha, how do you keep them so fresh and so big and all the things? One of the things I want to say is you have to water them every single day unless they're established. If they're established, which means that you've had them in the ground for over a year, which is a bush or something that actually survives and they've actually planted themselves and rooted themselves really well, then you have to water them. And even if we're having kind of a really drought, you really want to give them a drink of water because they might start wilting and look pretty bad. So that's my tip. That's one tip that I want to give you. And then I want to show you my flowers today because they are looking amazing, guys. We had them watered when we were gone. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Renee. Hello, everyone. I'm going to flip this around and show you my flowers and how wonderful they're already looking. Hello, Lisa. Look at these. Now, you guys can't see my pool because it's looking pretty rough. We haven't yet to get all the things done, but look at these. Are they not amazing? They're already looking amazing. Isn't that crazy how much they have grown? They are just tons of them. They're just growing and they're thriving. One of the things that I love to do is water them every single day. Sometimes you have to water them twice a day if it's super, super hot, but we haven't gotten quite there yet. Once a day will really suffice right now. Now, if it gets really hot, we will have to water them a couple of times a day, and that's really in the real dead heat, just to keep them going. I'm going to turn it back around here. And one of the biggest things that I try to do is feed them every week. I'm going to show you some more here. I'm going to flip this around, but I do not want to show you our pool. It's looking bad. Hopefully in the next week or so, we're supposed to be getting our pool liner. That would be amazing. I'm super excited, but I'm going to show you some more of our flowers here. Here is some more pots. They're really growing big. They're really just doing so well. Hi, Diana. Hello, Norma. Hello, Trulette. They're just growing huge. And people ask us all the time, how do you get them to look like this? And see, they're already starting to trail down. Some of these need to be pruned. But for the most part, they're already really starting to thrive. And I think one of the reasons that they take off really well is because once a week, we definitely feed them. And thank you. They're really starting to really work well. I'm not sure about these. Addie's waving through the window. I'm really not sure about these little trees that we had. This is the first year I've ever had them. It looks like the blooms come off of them a little bit and then they start to pop back up. So that's kind of a trial and error for me, but they are super cute and I love them. And look at all these blooms down here. So we're going to trial and error those. If you know any more about them, then let me know because I'm not really sure what we do with these little trees. I don't know if we have to deadhead them or what we do, but we are feeding them and they're getting really big. And even like the rose bushes, guys, they really, really they love all that feeding. So I'm going to tell you kind of what we do, and it goes all the way down. And then we have this huge, if you can see it right down here, we have this huge rose bush that loves to be fed. And then we have this, and this is going on. So we are doing lots of reconstruction and doing lots of different things here on our back porch this summer. So we haven't had our pool open and we're about ready to redo the deck and do some different things. But what I wanted to tell you, one of the things that we do is we feed them once a week. And People ask me all the time, they're like, Tabitha, what do you feed them? The number one thing that we love to feed them is Miracle Grow. I love this, guys. I think this is the number one thing that we have been feeding them for years. This is our bushes. We feed all of our plants, especially our potted plants, anything like that. If they are looking kind of just not really blooming and doing the things that you're wanting them to, honestly, get you some plant food and do them once a week. Jason he's really, really super good about this. Every Sunday, he'll take these out and he feeds them. I think that it makes a huge difference on your blooms for sure. And it says to do it every 7 to 14 days. He does it on a cycle of every Sunday. Or the girls and I will try to do it if he can't do it. But it makes a huge difference. I love this Miracle Grow plant food. And I even put this on some of our bushes, like our flowers. But Boost to Bloom too is really good on the rose bushes. But that makes a huge difference. And I'm going to take a picture of it and you guys go out and get you some. So if your blooms are looking really kind of just not really blooming and doing all the things, kind of get a start. You have to feed them once a week. It really makes a huge difference. So that's my Tuesday tip for Tabitha. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and show me down below what you guys are doing and how your flowers are doing. I'm super excited because I saw the beginning of them, some of them, and now I haven't seen them. So ours are really thriving and doing really well. I think they love the heat and all the water that we've been getting. So they've done really well this year. So thanks guys for being here, and go and get you some food for your flowers. Talk to you soon. Bye.